Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make hair edits. Actually you guys wanna know that how I make them and which app I use. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll just get into Play Store and then I'll type Ibis Paint X. I'll give the link in the description. You can also download it from there. So yeah, I've already downloaded it, so let's open. Now you can see my gallery option. I'll click on that and then you'll see plus sign. I'll click on that, and now whatever you want to choose you can choose. I'll choose 1:1 and then you'll get this blank page, and then here I'll add a photo. Any photo that you wanna color, you can choose that. So for now, let's do this one. Okay, now I'll add one duplicate layer. Now I'll choose a hair color that I want to do. You can choose any color you want. So let's choose pink. Also, you can increase or decrease the length of the brush. Now I'm going to blur it, and don't forget to blur it because it's an important part. Now as you can see, it's ready. Please do like, share and subscribe to my video.
영원한 밤 창문 없는 방에 우리를 가둔 love. What can we say? 매번 아파도 외치는 love. 다치고 망가져도 난 뭘 믿고 버티는 거야. 어차피 떠나면 상처 조성인 채로 미워하게 될걸. 끝장을 보기 전 끝낼 순 없어. 이 아픔을 기다려.